Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to create or edit a contact at the Huawei P20 Lite. So first of all, we go to the contacts, and if you want to add contact, there's a plus here below. Tap on it, and now you're able to enter a contact. Maybe let us give the name Tim to the contact. Okay, and then you can give him a phone number, an email address, and so on. You can make some notes, and you can add also another field made to add his birthday, or give him another ringtone. You can enter his address and so on. So, and if you're ready with that, may let us add the birthday. It's always on the 27th of March. Done. Yeah, and if you're ready with that, just confirm it here. And now Tim is part of our phone book. And now if we go to the T, we have now here Tim in our phone book. So in case we forget something, we want to edit or want to add something for a contact, whatever contact you choose. Now let us continue with Tim. You are able now to edit the contact if you enter Tim and go now on edit here in the middle. And then you can maybe change the number if you missed one, like this. Okay. And we can add also some other fields again. Maybe if we want to add an address now, and so on, we give the address. Okay, and then we confirm as before here, and now we have an address as well, and for the home and for his work. Okay, then if you're ready, just go back and you're back into the contacts, or go directly to the desktop. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, and if you like, you can have a look on my other videos. I show you some tips and tricks for the great phone Huawei P20 Lite. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and maybe until next time. Ciao.